saying him. It stinks. Smell it. It kind of smell like cheesy food. So this is how it looks. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new today. We will be trying some American snacks. We've never had these snacks before, so this will be our first time trying these snacks. So this is my little brother, if you don't know. If you are new, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and click that bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. So we're going to get started. So choose which one you want to start with. This?
Yeah.
So this is Sun Chips 100% whole grain. So I guess this is a healthy kind of chips. So this is it. It's the French onion flavor. No smell bad. Did you wash your hand?
Yeah.
So this is how it looks. I like this, you know, taste bad. You have one little sweet taste to it, and the onion not overpowering. I think my taste garlic. It tastes good. You like it?
Yeah.
I like the wave design. It look like zinc. So now, I don't know say this I want, yes. Funyuns, onion flavored rings. Some actual onion rings. I think I did onion ring. I'm disappointed. It not even smell like onion. A beer here in a bag. Look at that. Beer ear. This is not it. If you live in a Jamaica or you're a Jamaican, then you're supposed to know onion bits. Onion bits are way better than this. I did think of actual onion rings, but I guess it's on me because I never read the pack. But I don't smell no onion and I don't taste no onion. What you say about it? You don't chew yet. So I would give this a 5 out of 10 and this a definite 10 out of 10. So what you say about the one here?
It tastes kind of sweet.
I don't taste nothing sweet. What else you say? What else about it?
It tastes kind of sweet and salty.
How much would I give?
Would I give 6 out of 10?
And how much you give the other one?
9 out of 10.
Why you not give 10 out of 10?
It tastes kind of salty though.
Oh, your turn to choose. You can choose from any tree.
Lays.
So we've had Lay's before, but not this flavor. It's sour cream and onion. You want to open the one here?
No, you're not.
Why made it think they're Pringles? My head are going. I can see the herbs on it. This just tastes plain. You don't have nothing special about it. I would buy this again. Like, it meet the expectation I may have for it. So, I would give this. And now who I not like Lay's. Lay's just, I don't know, I don't like Lay's. I would give this a 5. Let me taste it again. It not even have no onion smell. What do you say about it?
It tastes good.
You like it?
Yeah.
That's all?
Yeah, that's all.
How much of it?
Would I get by 8 out of 10?
My turn to choose?
Yeah.
So now we are going to taste Fritos, if that's how it's pronounced, the original corn chips. First time I hear about the chips here. It feel like carne though. It feel like Italian. It stinks. Smell it. It kind of smell like cheesy food. So this is how it looks. This just plain, you don't have nothing special about it. You have one little salt on it. Tastes like, what it tastes like? I don't know what to say it tastes like, but I would not buy this again. Probably if they have it in our next flavor, I would try the other flavor. But oh, I know what it tastes like now. What's up, Mama? Did you come with it? A Cheetos?
Yeah, Cheetos.
It tastes like Cheetos, but Cheetos tastes better. This not have no cheese on it. So it tastes like Cheetos when you suck off the cheese off of it. I don't like this. I give this one 2 out of 10. What you say about it?
No one.
I don't like this. Let me know if you have ever had any of these before, and if you like any of them. So this is another Sun Chips brand, Harvest Cheddar. So we're going to open this. This is our last snack. Oh, you take it that one. We're going to test this one and see if we like it. You like it?
Yeah.
What it tastes like to you?
It tastes sweet, it tastes like cheese though.
This tastes really good. I actually think it's not gonna taste bad, but they exceed my expectation. This tastes like Doritos. Doritos are the triangle shape one?
Yeah.
Tastes like Doritos, but it tastes much better. Tastes much better. I like this. I would give this a 10 out of 10. And I would buy it again. What you give it?
9 out of 10.
Why not 10? Alright, Mas, Egan.
You don't fit my expectations.
What were your expectations?
I think they would have taste more like cheese.
Yeah, like, I don't know if I the type of cheese that they use, but it's sweet. What is Harvest Cheddar? It tastes kind of sweet, but I like it. So it got a 10 from me and a 9 from him. This one is my favorite. I also may buy this next time because the supermarket is nice, but then 2 years nice. I don't know if they have no other flavor, but I have to go try the other flavor them. So this is the end of today's video. If you have made it this far, comment chipsy down below. No, I'm not thief rolly slang, but comment chipsy. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow my Instagram pages, and what else? Don't forget to share with everybody. Stay tuned for my next video. Until next time, bye.